Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase reach with Chewy step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your Chewy account. Visit the Chewy website and click on the Create Account button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Once your account is created, log in to explore the platform's features. Next, familiarize yourself with Chewy's various product categories. Identify the niche that aligns with your brand or personal interests. Research trending products within that niche to understand market demand. Create engaging content that showcases these products. Focus on high-quality images and videos. Write compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits of each product. Utilize social media platforms to promote your Chewy content. Share links to your Chewy products on your profiles. Engage with your audience through comments and messages. Consider collaborating with influencers in the pet industry. Reach out to them for partnerships and product reviews. Leverage email marketing to reach your existing customer base. Craft informative and enticing newsletters that feature Chewy products. Monitor your analytics to track engagement and reach. Adjust your strategy based on what content performs best. Consistently post new content to maintain audience interest. Stay updated on industry trends to keep your content relevant. Build a network with other Chewy sellers or content creators. Share tips, strategies, and support each other in growing reach. Focus on creating a community around your brand. Encourage user-generated content by running contests or giveaways. Respond to customer feedback to improve your offerings. Experiment with different types of content like tutorials or unboxings. Ensure all content is clear, informative, and entertaining. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.